Hey everybody, it's after work and I scored a truck full of old lockers. Let's go cash them in. We might go on strike. I work for LA Unified in 2 days. Got to build up my strike fund. Hey, we're here with the Mountain of Steel. Man, it's going off back there. Got it all out. Everybody's hustling. Let's be safe. All right, not too shabby. 1,400 pounds. The price per ton's going down. 125 now. But not bad for an hour's work in a truck. Get a truck. Hey, like, share, subscribe, comment. Strap those loads down. Don't let that stuff fall off, and wear the proper clothes. Don't get hurt. Let people know what you do. It will come to you. Be of service, kids. Be careful. Talk to you soon.